Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair JBL Tune Flex earbuds with any Android smartphone or tablet. So first of all, you have to input both earbuds inside this charging case and then simply open the case. Now you just have to wait until left and the right indicators starts blinking on blue. So take a look. As you can see right now they are blinking. It means that we are automatically in the pairing mode. So put that case close to your device and do not close this cover. Just leave it like that. As you can see in my case I have the automatic pairing information, but I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step. So we have to simply open the Bluetooth settings on your device, then click to pair new device and wait until earbuds pop on the list. So select JBL Tune Flex, accept the pairing. As you can see we are successfully connected, and at the end I can definitely recommend you to get the JBL headphones application. So go to the Play Store and get this application. That's how it looks, and that's also the full name. Next you can open this application, wait for this welcome screen, accept the terms and the conditions, accept all of the permission that pops on the screen. And as you can see, when you previously connect our earbuds by using the standard Bluetooth settings, we are already connected right here. So we can just basically click to get started, and here we can find some basic tips. I'm gonna skip it and do this later. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.